Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Wealth channel. Today the Indian market has closed for 13th August. I'm doing this video from Europe. Let's see how the market behaved for today, 13th August, and we'll quickly go to the forecast for tomorrow, 14th August. We'll start from Nifty. If you see here, Nifty today rallied almost 200 points and it closed about 24,600, which is good, but it did not break the high of yesterday, 12th. It was 24,700. It managed to open a gap up and it managed to do a rally of 131 points to close above, but it did not manage to break the previous day resistance of high of 24,700. Okay, so having said that, today a couple of many of the segments in Nifty performed better. So keeping the sentiment of Nifty, which is trading above 24,600, is positive. Let's see for the prediction for tomorrow. So we will see the buy and sell points, entry points for Nifty. And as per today's prediction for 13th, we had given this range. If the price cross above and close above 24,555, so I asked to do an entry for the target 24,605. Okay. So, and I also given the second entry about 24,660, but the price did not close about 24,660. So we did not get the entry for this target, but we achieved target one. Okay. So it's good. So every day, whatever entry point we give, minimum to one and maximum to every targets are being reached. Okay, let's see quickly go to the next tomorrow's prediction. Tomorrow's prediction could be quite simple. First thing to note for 14th August is the pivot point is 24,606. So anytime price is trading above 24,613, you should consider a little bullish sentiment for the day. Anytime the price is breaking the pivot and trading below 24,600, you need to be cautious that it may go down. Okay, so considering that, so what will be the buy entry points? The first criteria to enter buy is to break this resistance and this liquidity, and price should be trading about 24,705. Okay, if the price closes about 24,705, okay, there is a resistance at 24,700. So if the price cross above and close above 24,705, then buy for target 24,830. It is almost 130 points. So 130 point is the target for buy side. You need to enter only about 24,700. Only about 24,700, the trend line becomes positive. You see here, it has formed this high point. Only if it breaks this high, then we will get something like this. Okay, so it has to break this high, and then it will retrace back, something like that, and it can continue the trend. So to see Bank Nifty as bullish, the minimum thing is tomorrow it has to break 24,700, and then the target will be 24,830. Will be the first target. Okay, I'll show you why 24,830 is the target. If you see in the 1 hour time frame, so we have a strong support at 1 hour time frame. You see the green zone. This is more good. This supports the bullish movement. See, we have some liquidity, seller side liquidity at 24,898. You see here. So this will be the first level of resistance. 24,830 will be the first target. And if it cross 24,830, finally it will stop at 24,920. Okay. So this is how it is. I have written here. Let me come back to 30 minutes chart. Yes. So the first target for Bank Nifty is 24,830 and followed by strong resistance is at 24,921. Okay. For sell side, wait for the price to break below 24,540. 24,540, then go for sell target 24,475. Okay. So we have multiple support ranges are there. So sell entries only below 24,540. Okay. So this is for Nifty, guys. So quickly we move to Bank Nifty. Okay. Bank Nifty is not looking as positive as Nifty because if you see here, it has formed a high at 8th August, but next it has formed a lower high. Okay, at 11th August, and this lower high is still not broken. Okay, so Bank Nifty has to completely break 55 650 above uh, to anyway believe that Bank Nifty is continuing the bullish trend. So as of now, Bank Nifty is still in a indecisive range. That's what I can say. Okay, and I was giving the buy target for today. If to close 55 200, then go for buy target. But Bank Nifty was not sustaining well for 55 200. The opening price was 55 288, but it all closed below 55 200. So completely the Bank Nifty was completely down below 55 200. At the last hours, it crossed 55 200, but it was again giving a red candle and it closed below 55 200. So I clearly gave, if the price closes above 55 200, sustains above 55 200, go for buy target. So we could not get this entry point for today. Okay, let's see what are the target points for tomorrow. As I said, Nifty is showing positive uptrend signals, but for Bank Nifty, still it is at the decisive stage. The price action is not very clear. Okay, so first things to notice. So we have a very narrow pivot of 55 183. So what I predict is tomorrow is expiry day. So Bank Nifty can have very volatile large movements. So it can flash below 300 400 points and it can flash above 300 400 points. Okay, so you have to be very careful for Bank Nifty because it is having an indecisive range. The trend pattern is not clearly formed. Okay, so currently Bank Nifty is at support. So the current price is for 55 181. There is a very strong support at 55 170. Okay, please remember that. So also have resistance. We also have resistance above 55 260, 55 400. We have resistance and we have also strong support downside. Okay, there are some resistance at the up, there are some support at the down. So I feel if you want to trade, prefer trading Nifty for tomorrow. Bank Nifty can be volatile, flat, it could be range bound as well. Okay, so I will prefer Nifty over Bank Nifty for tomorrow, but let's see the target. So if the price crosses and close above 55 275 274, then we have a target of 55 334. Okay, and if if the price cross above 55 407, then we have a second target of 55 460. Okay, so these are the two targets for Bank Nifty. And sell target, as I said, there are multiple support until 55020. So I will recommend to go for sell side only if it breaks the low point. On 8th August, the low was 54,906. Only if it breaks below 54,900, you go for sell side. Otherwise, between this range, it can go flat. And also, there are multiple support at downside. You see here, there are a lot of support. So the price can fall till 5500 and it can reverse back, or it can fall till 55 50 and or it can reverse back, or it can take this liquidity 55.50, it can return back, or it can come to 54,975, it can return back. So there are multiple reversal is there. So we cannot predict accurately at this point of time, one day before, what will be the reversals. So since there are many support at the bottom I would suggest go for sell only below 55, 54,900. Okay, guys. So this is the prediction for tomorrow for August 14th. Have a safe trade, guys. Note down the entry and exit. It has been very clearly mentioned. So see you tomorrow. Thank you very much.